If Blender is giving you a render error and telling you to check the console, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to read the error, find the real cause, and fix it fast. This is one of the most useful troubleshooting skills you can learn in Blender, because the console usually reveals the exact problem instead of leaving you guessing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tips, fixes, and the beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Blender and go up to the top menu. Click Window, then choose Toggle System Console. On some systems, especially Windows, this will open a separate console window where Blender prints messages, warnings, and error details. This is the key place to look when a render fails. Now start a render like you normally would. You can press F12 to render the current frame. As soon as Blender tries to render, watch the system console carefully. You're looking for the exact error message because that message usually tells you what went wrong. It might mention a missing texture, a file path that can't be found, a permission issue, or even a GPU-related problem. One of the most common causes is missing files or broken links. If Blender is looking for an image texture, linked asset, or external file that no longer exists in the folder it expects, the render can fail or come out wrong. If you see missing file warnings in the console, go to File, then External Data, and choose Find Missing Files. From there, point Blender to the folder where your textures or assets are stored. Blender will try to reconnect the missing data automatically. Another very common issue is an invalid output path. If your render output is set to a folder that no longer exists, or a location Blender can't write to, the render may fail immediately. To fix this, go to the Output Properties panel and check the output folder. If needed, change it to something simple and reliable like your desktop or documents folder. Avoid complicated paths, special characters, or locations that may require extra permissions. Speaking of permissions, sometimes Blender cannot save files because the folder is restricted. If that happens, choose a different output location and try again. This is especially useful if you're rendering into a protected system folder or a cloud-synced directory that may block access. If the console mentions GPU errors or the render crashes during hardware rendering, the issue could be related to your graphics driver. In that case, update your GPU drivers first. If the problem continues, try switching the render device from GPU to CPU in Blender's Preferences or Render Settings. This can help you confirm whether the graphics card is causing the error. Add-ons can also interfere with rendering sometimes. If you recently installed a new add-on and Blender started failing after that, try disabling add-ons one by one and test the render again. A conflicting add-on can cause unexpected problems, especially if it changes render settings, file paths, or scene data. The most important thing to remember is this: always check the console first. Blender is usually telling you exactly what the problem is, and once you understand the message, the fix becomes much easier. Most render issues come down to missing files, bad paths, or data that Blender cannot access properly. After you make your fix, restart Blender and run the render again. That fresh restart helps clear temporary issues and make sure your updated settings are applied correctly. In many cases, that's all it takes to get everything working again. So to quickly recap, open the system console, read the exact error, fix any missing files, check your output folder, update your GPU drivers if needed, and disable conflicting add-ons if necessary. Once you follow those steps, you'll be able to diagnose most Blender render errors with confidence. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Blender troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.